Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. This one is decorated in papers from the Make a Splash collection by Graphic 45, and it is our tall shadow box and album set and the next craft workshop online project. Also available to order as a PDF and a full kit. So do check the link out below in the description. So let me take you through the project. It's a nice size, 10.5 tall, 8.25 wide by 3 inches deep on the case. We've got a nice little handle on the top and a ribbon tie. And it opens up with a flip lid and flip down front, and then the album sits inside. So a really nice shadow box with an optional window on the front, and I've decorated it in this gorgeous seaweed paper. I love it, absolutely love it. I love the colours in this collection. They go together in a whole number of different colourways to give you really different looks. So do check it out. I'll put the link below to the collection as well. And then the album is 7.75 wide by 9.75 high by 2.5 inches deep, all put together with our signature black construction tape. And we have got a beautiful 5-page pocket style album with various options which I like to include in the classes so that you can mix and match and create a unique project for yourself. So right at the front we have got a nice pocket to pop bits and pieces in, and a buckle fastened fold out photo holder with a ta-da! I love these. So 2 places for your photos and also little ones on the flip up pop up section, and that just does up with a nice little band with one of the gorgeous pictures from the collection on the front. I have focused on the patterns and solids in this collection for the main pages. I just love the way the colours work together, and then it gave a really nice background to use the patterned, more detailed papers on the front for the add-ons. So each of the pages is the same. They've got a deep pocket for a large photo mat that sit just tucked in like that. And then there are a number of add-ons. So this one is just a pocket, so you can pop your pictures inside, and it's got an acetate band on the front, and it's just held closed with whatever it is that you want to pop on the front there. I haven't used any magnets in the project, but you could add a magnetic closure to this if you wanted to. But I've just got it closing like that. The back of all of the pages is just a large flat area that you can add pockets to if you want to. Depends what you're going to put on your page. If you wanted to put landscape style photos, maybe no pocket needed, but if you wanted to sort of tuck things in, then there is the pocket option as well. And again, we've got a large photo mat in that acetate pocket, and some of our little medium-sized tags as well I've included in the project. So acetate pocket on that side, and then we've got a fold out that has an acetate tuck spot, and it just opens out again to enable you to put your pictures inside, little ones on the side flaps, larger one in the centre, and then it folds up like that. And this is just a little photo book with one of the cutouts from the collection on the front, and that just tucks into the acetate pocket to hold that pocket closed. And then again we've got a large photo mat tucked into the page, and you could put a few of those in the page, which gives you an option to store more pictures. And then flipping over, I love this colourway. I've used a combination of 8x8 papers, 12x12 papers, along with the patterns and solids. So this is an 8x8 sheet, and I've teamed it up with the stripe on the inside covers and here. Again, that's 8 by 8. Left it plain so that you can put pictures on there. And then this add-on is just a little pocket. You can put a solid pocket base or an acetate pocket base on that. And then another large photo mat that sits in the page. Look how pink that's gone. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Lovely shells, beautiful colours. I've teamed it up with the lilac or mauve. Lilac? I don't know actually what colour it is, but the lighter of the two purple patterns and solids. Another little fold-out pocket with an acetate front, and here I've used the 12 by 12 paper that's got the mermaid picture on the front. That just folds up, and then I've cut out 2 of the ephemera cards from the collection and just used them to close the pocket. And again, we've got a large pull-out photo mat inside there too that just sits behind the pull-out or fold-out or the add-on. And then flipping over, I've added another acetate pocket here with one of the cutouts. I love this border paper. Everything tones together beautifully. I really love this collection. So acetate pocket with 2 little photo mats in there. And here, this actually creates another tuck spot as well. So I've just added it as a sort of a folded tuck spot so that you can put something behind, maybe a journaling card. And then we've got another little lift up pocket here with a solid front at the bottom, and it's held closed with whatever it is that you want to pop in that pocket. And then the final large pull-out photo mat. And these last 2 add-ons on pages 4 and 5 actually are hinged so that it gives you more area to put pictures on the back of the fold down. And then this one actually folds out. Again, I haven't put any magnets in them, they just flip. Let's just close that one properly. They just flip like that. So again, that's another option. And then right at the back, we have got a lovely single sort of page and then a buckled waterfall. I've just decorated the bottom edges of the flip ups because when you put your pictures on, you cover them completely. Or you can add sections of paper, or you can decorate them all if you want to. And then that just folds in like that. And we've got another deep pocket behind there. So if you like the large photo mats, then they will work in the deep pocket as well. So that is it, our tall shadow box with the album set, available to make in our next Facebook Live craft workshop. Or you can order the laser cut kit and our signature black construction tape and the PDF. The full bundle for the project with or without paper as well. So happy crafting everyone, and I hope I've inspired you to get creative with this gorgeous new collection from Graphic 45.